Sublime Text versus Neovim. What editor is better? So choosing a text editor is like picking your favorite weapon. It has to feel right, be fast, and get out of your way. Today, let's compare two classic powerhouses in Sublime Text and Neovim. One sleek and simple, the other a keyboard ninja's dream. Let's just jump straight into this. Sublime Text, the speed demon. So if you just want to open a file, make some changes and move on, Sublime is built for you. It's ridiculously fast, even with huge files, clean modern UI with distraction-free mode. Plugins via package control makes it super flexible. Great for all languages, Python, HTML, JS, you name it. So now this is for developers who want a lightweight editor without setup, people switching from VS Code but want something snappier, writers or coders who hate clutter. Now, the downside, not free forever. License cost around $99. This is in AU, but there's an unlimited trial. Less powerful terminal integration and not as customizable as Neovim. So Neovim is the modern version of Vim. It runs in the terminal, it's lightning fast, and it's all about customization. It's got a built-in LSP, language server protocol support, infinite plugin options with Lua config, keyboard-based workflow, no mouse needed, perfect for coders who like total control. Now, this is best for power users who live in the terminal, devs who want their editor to work exactly how they like it, people who love Vim but want something modern. Now, there are a few downsides as well. So there's a steep learning curve, so it takes time to master. You'll spend a lot of time tweaking config, and this is not beginner friendly at all. Alright, so use Sublime Text if you want a fast, reliable editor that just works out of the box, or go for Neovim if you want to build your editor from scratch and love that terminal life. Honestly, they're both amazing, but it really comes down to how deep you want to go. Need speed and simplicity? Go for Sublime. If you want full control and love to tinker, try Neovim.